Today we're going to show you how to make apple dumplings for a crowd. This is my granddaughter. She's going to do all the mixing. So let's get started.
1 stick of butter, 2 Crescent Rolls, and 12 ounces of Sprite, and 1 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. We're going to take one of the apples and we're going to like press it down. Into wedges.
Get it over down. Okay. Put them in the bowl.
Now you're gonna put them in the bowl.
Now.
Okay, and then you're gonna do your second apple into wedges.
Keep going till it comes apart. Keep going.
There we go.
Very good.
Okay. My shirt's gonna mix
it.
Okay.
Next.
Next we're going to take out the Crescent Rolls.
See it right there? Show how it's that. Okay.
So my nan did it for me, like started it for me. But now we're gonna like peel the paper because you start right here with the silver kind of pieces.
Now bang it on the table. There you go. Keep just like. Okay. Yeah, pull a piece off. Okay. Yeah, almost the whole thing.
Okay, so when you start to see a piece tear, this is my piece. Wait, a little down?
No, just here. Over it. Okay, so I'll do that. Do these.
Okay, so now we're gonna put one side of apple into it
Like this.
on the end. And dumplings, but we have to add way more ingredients to them to make it delicious. So you're gonna put a stick of butter in
To the saucepan.
to the saucepan. And we're gonna put it on our breakfast stove top. Add 1 1/3 cup sugar going into the pot. I'm gonna stir it. I'm gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. So I'm gonna stir it. So it's well combined. It kind of looks like applesauce.
It does look like applesauce. You can tip the pan up if you want.
So this is what it looks like. Now, once you have your sauce all well combined and stirred, you're going to pour this on the apple dumplings.
I'll just dump it.
Okay, so I'm just gonna dump the rest on some of them. They're like not quite covered. This one. Okay. Take that top.
Okay.
This is what the finish.
So,
Now you're gonna pour 12 ounces of lemon lime Sprite.
or whatever. Okay.
Or whatever you what kind of Sprite.
Kind of citrus.
Yeah, whatever kind of citrus. So you're gonna pour it evenly.
Fast, yeah.
Bake them at 350 for 45 minutes.